TapSwap price prediction, and we are going to use a formula to do this TapSwap price prediction. We have price equals to market cap divided by what is total supply, which is circulating supply. So, and thank God, TapSwap provide a circulating supply of 1 billion. Circulating supply of 1 billion. How can we get the market cap now? The market cap is going to be on a predict value they are going to bring. Predict value. So we can just say 800 million. 800 million. Then your price now is equal to what? 800 million divided by what? The 1 billion the TapSwap have provided. I know during that TGA, which is token and generating an event, they will share the 100% of the 1 billion. They will share it a little percent to each of the family, maybe community. The TapSwap community will be having way that are what that do the tapping now will be having 70%. Then the rest 30% will be shared among their team and the rest. Then that's how they do it. So when we go over to our calculator now, we'll be able to calculate the price equals to market cap divided by what? The circulating supply. So let's go over to our calculator and calculate it. So on our calculator here, we can see that we say the market cap, let's say for example, the market cap is 100 million. It's going to be divided by what? 100 million divided by the 1 billion, the circulating supply that they brought. So 100 million divided by 1 billion. This is 1 billion. It's going to be 0.1. 0.1 as the what? The price prediction for TapSwap. 0.1. So for you now, if it is 700, it's going to be 0.7. But sometimes some people say it is going to be 0.03. That is price prediction for everybody. Price prediction for everybody. But recently, the allocation was sent to Bitget, and Bitget released the underground. They convert it. They convert that allocation sent to them from TapSwap. They convert it to dollars, which is USDD, and it was 0.1 was 0.03. So it was 0.03. That is for what? For Bitget. That is for Bitget. But for this price prediction here now is 0.1.